put a dent in my car. Again, I just got this car fixed. So I'm trying to figure out who I'm gonna get to fix it. I just need to get this dent out. I'm gonna come, y'all, but here we go again. Here we go. One of them niggas when I get them called a reverend. All from this morning. Hey y'all, I'm about to eat some pho. Still mad about my car this morning. I just found out some devastating news. My boss just sold her business today. So we have a new boss, y'all. I don't know what I want to do from this point onward. It makes me want to cry because this is the best boss I've ever had. I got the stuff in my mouth. Doing a full set. Well, no, I'm filling and repairs.
It might as well be.
My friend is here.
I'm back,
supporting.
y'all.
She's back. Oops.
And they probably just can't.
But can't be. I don't know. She got it. I don't know how do you work. You can work with nails on his face. Hey. Y'all, hey, what it do? What it do? I just got out the shower. I don't know what today is, but I'm home. It's 10 o'clock. I got seasonings. Sweet honey gold. This one is called Forever 23. I like that. Forever 21, Forever 23. And garlic tings. And this is the letter that I fell in love with. Almost brought a tear to my eye, y'all. Like, this is so genuine. Handwriting is beautiful. It looks like my grandmother's. Ariane, you are a blessing to me. Black girl magic doesn't happen too often, but I am here to tell you, you are it. Keep pushing, keep thriving, and keep being your authentic and genuine self. That's what brought me to begin enjoying your content. I can't read. I pray that your success is in all and will always be greater than your tests and trials. You've been doing great. This is far. You've been doing great this far, and I know God has something more in store for you in the future. With love, Loretta Pickett, Dupree Seasonings. Y'all know I'm hanging this up, right? I'm gonna just let y'all know. I might want to frame this. This is not going anywhere. Like, I'm not losing this. This is forever near me and my heart. Blessed right now. That just motivated me to keep going. I really have people watching me and really look up to me. And I'm thankful for God. Like, nothing would be happening without him. And I just need to talk to God. Okay, I found it. I found a message. Someone says, hey, I'm curious. Are you still making the cases? Y'all remove them. And I start using it for my phone.
Yo, dile que vaya, dile que lleve todo lo que quiera llevar. Tú ayer sí, mano, ¿qué tal? Que no sé qué, tú te ganas ese culo también, no es serio. comadre, y entonces, porque él fue. Tú dijiste que ibas a hacer unas costillas, tú le dijiste. Él se va a sentar ahí también.
If I was to get the links from here,
Okay, look.
Morning, y'all. It is my day off. It's a Monday. I'm at my OGBYN, if I said that right, appointment. It's in 30 minutes, so I'm already sitting outside my doctor's office. And yeah, y'all, just getting a little checkup to see if I'm healthy or whatnot. You know, I do this like every year or whatever. Try to keep up to date with my health and make sure I'm healthy. Acrylic toes removed. There's 2 left on each foot. Like, I need to get those removed. I'm editing my website template for my bio. Completing the nail. Hey everybody, I made it to work. I'm helping Rosa make her acuity template. So I want to show y'all my... Rosa was like, oh, I want mine's cute too. So this is my website template, y'all.
Porque se graduaron, mija, y tienen un fiesta hoy y un compartir. Te voy a mandar.
See it. But we're going to look at it on the real page. So view. This is my web page, y'all.
Parecía una fiesta de... Bueno, ya tú sabes.
It's so weird. Hold on. You gotta refresh it, I guess.
Esa no se viene.
Ooh, those cute. Like, this is her layout. Cause I already did mine the other day. So this is her jank. She don't speak very good English, so I'm just trying to help her really quick. 5:30.
Regardless of your mood, you'll transform your life in ways you never thought possible. But here's the catch. You can't see the results immediately. This is why...
Now with tissue, you flush it. It's gone.
You'll start to notice the effort will become easier. The resistance will lessen. What once required immense willpower will start to feel natural. This is the beauty. It doesn't just change the surface. It changes you. It transforms you from someone who tries into someone who does.
Monday. Let me show y'all my room. I didn't clean my room. Don't mind that. Room is clean, baby. Bathroom clean. Or whatever. I got a busy schedule. August. I got a wedding to attend to. I got 2 nail appointments, home base, and yeah. Other good news is I'm going back to college Monday, Tuesdays. So yeah. So, and my grandpa here, y'all. He cutting the grass. This is my passport. I don't think I showed y'all, but anywho, I ordered this from Amazon. It's a budgeting book. It's a budgeting book, y'all. We got shopping, debt, food, vacation, emergency, hair, car, bills. Yeah. And it came with these divider things, budget sheets. I'm gonna figure that out. And it was extra stickers, y'all, that I had, but I'll figure that out later. My wig box. I got money saved in here. I'm doing a 2K challenge where you get like 100 envelopes, $20 on each of them. $20, put $20 in each and save up. I'm doing the enveloped method, so it's $20 in here. There's money in these ones. I'm saving money this way, and the rest of these I have to fill up. I get 2,000, 2K here. So I'm trying to speed the process up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 190.
Who left this light on in the bedroom? They owe me $1.
I'm in here. Who,
You
Jay?
talking? Yeah, look, to him. The
Oh,
light is on. He outside. He owe me $1.
I owe you $1
Go
too.
get him. Go get him. He got you. Go get him. Said you ain't your light on. Go get him. He just got you, remember?
Yeah.
Hurry up, please get back in here.
This thing right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get him.
Get 'em,
We
get 'em,
owe
get
her $1. Moisturizer. If I spelled that right, who cares? I need sunscreen. I just washed all my clothes today too, y'all, so I need to put them up. But my room deep clean. I'm so happy stuff because I can think with a clean room. Got the baddest skin care stuff off TikTok shop. I gotta fold my clothes. If y'all ever want to send goodies, my P.O. box is listed down in the description. You want me to support your business? It's listed down there. Send me some goodies. Keep reminding y'all. Send me some goodies. Insert the first one. Look what I made, y'all. Jaden up in here. We watching Shoulda Coulda Been Records, whatever.
From the 81 trade, it's nice to meet y'all. Tell me how you doing today.
Everything gotta come through the CEO.
Country.
Right, you gotta test it. I gotta touch the money. I gotta touch it, man.
I'm putting money in my budget planner. So shopping. Let's put some random money in there. Super cute. Let me look at it. But I just want to say, I hope you guys have a fabulous morning. I'm in and off the vlog here.